Are you someone who knows your art is good? People praise your work, they say you are talented, but when it comes to money, it still feels tight, uncertain, and stressful? Do you sometimes sit with your artwork and think how it is possible that you are so skilled, yet financially you feel stuck? If that thought has crossed your mind even once, then this video is for you. Most artists don't struggle because they lack talent. They struggle because no one ever taught them how talent actually translates into income in the real world. You were taught how to improve your strokes, how to improve your designs, probably about your technique, your creativity, but no one taught how money flows through art. That missing knowledge silently creates frustrations in many artists' lives. The pain becomes deeper when you are a woman artist. You are managing your home, your family, your responsibilities, and still trying to protect time for your art. You create whenever you can, sometimes late at night, sometimes very early in the morning, hoping one day it will all feel totally worth it. But when financial freedom still feels far away, the pressure slowly builds in your mind. Many artists tell me that they feel guilty even thinking about money. They believe art should be pure, peaceful, and spiritual, not mixed with business or pricing. So, you know what they end up doing? They undercharge, they hesitate, and wait for people to voluntarily come and value them first. This mindset slowly drains their energy and confidence. Art itself does not create income, systems do. Skill alone does not create freedom, structure does. Passion without direction often leads to burnout, not success. Most artists keep creating more and more, hoping quantity will solve the problem. But the problem was never the lack of effort or dedication. The problem was not knowing how art becomes a product or a service or a solution for others. Without clarity, even the best of best artists feels lost. Let me reframe this for you gently. If you are struggling with money, it doesn't mean you failed as an artist. It simply means you were never shown the bridge between art and business. And no one can cross a bridge they don't know if it is existing. When you understand business, money stops feeling unpredictable. You stop worrying every month about sales or appreciation. You start seeing your art as something that supports your life instead of stressing you. That shift will bring a lot of calm and confidence in you. Empowerment begins when you stop asking why you are not earning. Instead, you start asking what structure is missing in my journey. Structure creates predictability, and predictability builds confidence. Confidence slowly turns into freedom. You don't need to change your art style or copy someone. You don't need to post endlessly or chase validation. You don't need to hustle in exhaustion. You need alignment between your skill, your time, and your income goals. When artists learn how to package their knowledge, price their work, communicate their value, money stops feeling scary. It becomes a tool instead of a threat. It supports your family rather than creating tension. It gives you time freedom instead of guilt. Imagine waking up knowing exactly what you are building with your art. Imagine knowing your daily effort is moving somewhere meaningful. Imagine feeling respected, confident, and stable because your art is supporting you every single day. That transformation comes with clarity, not luck. That is where most artists lose years of their life. They try to figure everything alone, doubting every single step. They delay decisions, they overthink, and probably stay stuck in circles. Time passes, and regret quietly replaces the excitement. You deserve clarity in your art journey. You deserve guidance that respects your creativity and your life. You deserve a roadmap instead of confusion. And most importantly, you deserve financial independence without feeling guilty about it. If this video made you feel seen, know that you are not alone. Your struggle is real, and your desire for more is valid. You are not asking for too much from your life. You are simply asking for what your art truly deserves. If you are ready to move from confusion to clarity, from effort to direction, from struggle to structure, comment art business below. That single comment is your first step from art to business. Thank you.